Hello students, in this video we will learn about the sentence. A sentence we know that shows that gives complete meaning. For sentence we need words, and when words combine together they make sentence. Let's see the definition of sentence. What is sentence? See in the slide. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. For example, a giraffe is a tall animal. This is complete sentence because it gives complete meaning. We know the giraffe and it is tall. We come to know when we read this complete group of words, and this group of words is called sentence. Sentence have some properties and some types. Sentence always begins with a capital letter. We always start with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Look in the slide, there is a dot in the bracket. That is the end of the sentence. When sentence ends with a question mark, that is called question sentence, or an exclamation mark when there is point and line above in the bracket. You can see it, that is called exclamation mark. A sentence must have a verb. Without verb there is no sentence. So sentence always have verb. It is a compulsory part of the sentence. For example, who closed the door? Here closed is a verb. The Indian team has won. Won is a verb. So we come to know that sentence is a group of words having complete meaning. Depending upon the nature of the sentence, we can classify into different groups. Okay, now we can see the different types of sentence. Sentences are of 5 kinds. They are as follow. Statement. First thing is statement. It is also called assertive or declarative sentence. When there is information, like everyone has a double, so it is a declarative sentence. Sun rises from the east. It is a declaration. So this type of sentence is called a statement. When we make any comment, that is a statement. Second type of sentence is called question sentence. It is also called interrogative sentence. In this type of sentence, we can ask something to somebody, so and we get the answer of it. So there is a interrogative mark also at the end of the sentence. Example is here: haven't we met before? What is your name? This type of sentence where we have to ask somebody something, or about a query is there. So this type of sentence is called interrogative sentence or question mark sentence. It ends with question mark. Third type of sentence, third kind is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, there is command, there is request, there is blessing or greetings. So these are the features of imperative sentence. Don't make a wild guess. Okay, please come here. It is a request. Please do my work. Could you help me? These are types of sentence are imperative sentence, where we need some we give some blessing, greeting, command or request. May I come in the class? So there is a request. So these type of sentences are imperative sentence. For communication, these types of the sentence, for better communication, it is good example of sentence, kind of sentence. Fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, there is sudden expression, like sudden expression of feeling surprise, pity, wonder, or joy. This sentence ends with exclamation mark. For example, thank you. When there is a gratitude, we say thank you and then exclamatory mark. What an exciting tennis match! Exclamatory mark. One more example. How cold the winter in England is! Exclamatory mark after this sentence. So these type of sentence do not have full stop at last, but we need exclamation mark. Now we see one example where there is a dialogue between two persons. We can see the importance of sentence in dialogue. See in the slide, study this dialogue. There is one building and two boys are standing. One is Johnson and second is Michael. There is talk going on between these two persons. First, haven't you, Johnson says, haven't we met before? Michael reply, I think so, but where? This is a question mark here again. Johnson, in Berlin last January, full stop. This is a statement. Michael, don't make a wild guess, gentlemen, full stop. I haven't been to Berlin at all, full stop. This is a statement. Johnson, then it must have been your double, then exclamatory mark here. Michael, that may be, full stop. Everyone has a double. Johnson and Michael convey their ideas in this sentence, in these dialogues, through group of words. Each group is meaningful, each word in the sentence having some meaning. This meaning incomplete in the context. So we convey their ideas between the two persons through the help of words in a proper sentence. So sentences are having four types, major types we covered in the previous slide, that is statement, question, imperative or exclamatory sentence. So it is important for communication, so we must know these four types of sentence and their use in the proper time. You can make more examples for about these kinds of sentence. In the next video we will learn further. Thank you.